Hi, I'm Daniel from Sussex Campervans. I'd like to talk to you about rock and roll beds. Lots of people, when they're thinking of buying a campervan, wonder whether they can really have a good night's sleep like they do at home in a campervan bed, or a rock and roll bed as they're often called. Lots of people wonder if actually it's more like dozing off in your chair and you wake up with a stiff neck and an aching back. Well, that needn't be true if you've got the right one. This video is all about the different sorts and how to choose one that's going to work for you.
The first campervans were built in the classic Volkswagen Transporter, and they had an engine at the back, so the rock and roll bed was something like a sofa bed with a cushion on top of the engine behind, and it just clicked down like this into a bed. Times have moved on, and more modern campervans don't have that problem of the engine in the boot. Years ago, we used to use a pyramid style bed like this, which doesn't have quite so much storage because of its shape. The back uses up some of the room. It does fold flat, but putting it away after the night is a bit of a hassle. It's quite heavy to manipulate, and some customers did find it quite difficult.
I'm sitting on a typical rock and roll bed of European manufacture, which is used by a lot of campervan converters. There are 2 or 3 makes which more or less work the same way, so let me demonstrate this one to you and I'll show you how it goes down. So you pull this lever here, and this front portion swings towards you. Try and get it nice and flat there, and then you kneel on the bed and make sure the belts aren't in the way, and this lever here lets this bit drop down. That goes there, and then you push another lever just here and get that bit flat there. So there's 3 operations that basically make it go into a bed. Now, one of the challenges of these is that you do end up with quite some gaps, and it's quite hard to get it entirely flat. Some people are really happy with these, but there are a lot of people who don't find they can get the same level of comfort they do from their bed at home. When you come to put it away in the morning, first of all you lift up the central section like that and get the belts out. Then you stand up here, reach across, pull that lever there, and swing this down, and just make sure you get the belts sticking out the right way. Sometimes it's easier to have someone else just to give you a hand to get the belts in the right place. And there we are, we're back in the seating position. You know, this rock and roll campervan bed I've designed, I think it might be the best anyone's got. It goes down so quickly and it's so flat and supportive and comfortable. Let me show you how it works. Pop the cushions off, push this single lever across, pull the bed back towards you, and there we are. I'm in bed, and that was definitely under 10 seconds, wasn't it? And it's just as easy to put it away in the morning as well, like this. Boom, I'm ready for travel. Well, I hope you found that quick overview of rock and roll beds helpful. Do come and see us at Sussex Campervans. We'd love you to try one of ours and come and lie on it, see whether the Sussex Campervans bed really is as comfortable as your bed at home. Give us a call, 01403 336369, or email hello@sussexcampervans.com.